Smooth leather uppers in a milky white tone with subdued pastel blue overlays underpin the pair's superior materials. The swoosh, which is adorned with a variety of pearls and sequins for a dazzling effect, is what distinguishes this release. Just above the embroidered Jumpman are turquoise-like studs on the tongue, which provides still another touch of beauty. To keep the sneaker's sophisticated appearance, the classic wings emblem at the heel receives a tonal treatment, while soft pink details on the sockliner and outsole further enhance the concept. Underfoot, the design is finished with a light gray rubber outsole on top of a somewhat off-white midsole. The women's only Air Jordan 1 Low is anticipated to go on sale on Nike.com and at a few international shops in the autumn of 2025. There is no confirmation that it will be released in the US. SRP is $135 US.